say, not Jay-Z, Jamie, is you crazy? I'm focused, even though my eyes glazed. I'm a beast, you to pray. I will hunt you for days, months, maybe a year. Just a lesson that we can fool and dominate and raw. Got a message to have for the new school. You ain't hip-hop, make that shit stop. You appeal to the masses in one too many ways, and I'm finding that not hard to say. Cause my girl loves that shit, and so does my dude, and so does his baby bro in elementary school, and so does his teacher. She thinks that she's cool, cause she dance in the club, getting drunk at the store. Different dude every night of the week. Oh, you're so cute, right? Wink. Nah, you fucking slut, you fucking witch. Gorilla, you fucking shit, you fucking drama causing bitch. You fucking suck every dick and take any hit you can get. Yeah, it helps when you sip, don't it? To get that fucking pain off your mind, cause your brain's intertwined and it needs to relax. So the blunts and the doobies get passed real fast so you pass out. Now what's that about? Most are slaves to these temptations, these sensations, but they act too harsh on. Sometimes I think that I'm a Martian from another land where they chill and spark hella bonds, but plant many seeds, respect the vast seas, and treat people reasonably. See, it sounds nice, don't it? That's why I'm planning on it, being where I am someday. Gonna leave these streets in the city anyway, so why not go where I really wanna stay? Cause when the lights go off at the end of the day, that's when I dream of the way to get my way. Burger King, you ain't got no say, cause I speak for myself and myself only. Look around, it's Old Town where we get down. I'm bound to get found with a flow like this that's so underground like the roots of the trees that release, that I breathe to conceive these things. Till next time, good night. Sweet dreams.